In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 per month with Reddit. And it's actually easier than you think. So watch this entire video to learn how you can make $1,000 per month or more with Reddit. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $1,000 or more per month with Reddit. And it's much easier than you think when you do a little bit of research. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go over and find a product. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use a product that we find over on Amazon. In fact, if you watch my last video, you know that I actually kind of stumbled across this. What we are going to use is we are going to use Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Machine. Now, the reason why we're using this product, it is $162 if we wanted to promote it. I think there are other more expensive ones. This one's $177. So let's say, for example, we want to use this product. What we are going to do is, if I look at my keyword research tool, it's weird with Reddit, it doesn't let me do it, but there's another way that we can do this as well. In my last video, I stumbled across a keyword, can you freeze, or can it be frozen? And it got me to thinking, what about Reddit? Now, people use Reddit. It calls itself the front page of the internet. People are coming to Reddit and they're asking basic questions, and you can come back and you can answer them and help them. And so what we're going to do is we just typed in, can you freeze, and I hit enter. If we scroll through here, you can see a number of things. At the top, we have different communities. These are basically like Facebook groups. These are where groups of people are coming together and they're asking and answering different questions. What you could do is you could join these groups or create your own where you're answering simple questions. If we look at View More, you can see there are tons of groups out there dedicated to cooking and just about anything else. But what we're looking for is, if I scroll down, look at this. I typed in, can you freeze? And just 7 days ago, someone asked a question about, can you freeze the Costco enchilada chicken bake? Will it be ruined? 2 days before that, can you freeze and reheat egg drop soup? Can you freeze 5-layer dip? A day before that. So people are asking, can you freeze? And they're asking them in Frugal, they're asking them in Eat Cheap and Healthy. These are all different subreddits or groups. But if we look at this, you can see people are asking tons of questions about, can you freeze? And what we can do is we can simply answer these questions. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 steps. There's 2 steps to this process. The first step is we are either going to create a blog post or we are going to create a YouTube video answering the question, can you freeze hot chocolate? You want to make sure that you are answering these questions directly. Spend about 10 or 15 minutes, create a YouTube video, create a high quality YouTube video to answer the question, or write 1,000, 1,500 word blog post where you answer the question, can you freeze it? And then secondly, you want to show them the steps if possible. If they can't freeze it, tell them why. Now, believe me, this will work. But if we scroll through, you can see people are asking these questions. It's kind of astonishing that you're getting content ideas and what you can do. And these are all within, the last year or so, but people are continuously answering questions. And Reddit has such a strong domain authority that if you answer this question and then you put a link either to your YouTube channel or to your blog post, you can start getting traffic. What we're going to do is we're going to come through, we're going to click on this. We're going to answer the question. We can either take a look and see what people are saying about this question and then go into greater detail. As you can see, there are 10 people that have answered this question. Yes, you can. So there's the answer right there. You could create a blog post or a YouTube channel and then say, hey, in short, you can freeze it, but check out this YouTube channel or check out this blog post where I go into great detail in explaining how you can freeze it and the processes to freeze it if that's what you want to do. And then what you can include in your blog post is you can include different affiliate links. You can include an affiliate link to this Food Saver here that'll pay you probably somewhere between a 3 and 5% commission. So if we did the math on it, let's assume you get paid a 3% commission on 177, multiply that by 3%, you're looking at about $5 per sale. If we take $1,000 and we divide that by $5, 1,000 divided by 5, you're looking at this, that's $200. But what we can do, let's say, let's copy this. This person isn't the only one that has asked about this Costco enchilada chicken bake. We can go back up here into Google, paste this in, and you're going to see other people are asking this question as well. Thefoodsguy.com is writing on it. If we go back over here and we take a look at the keywords here, there's probably about 100 searches per month where people are asking about this Costco enchilada. It says that there aren't any searches, but usually there's at least a few. But this is a good way to start a website because you come back over here, you see people are giving you ideas. Whoops. Here we go. Here's another one. Let's see. We'll click back here. As you can see, there are tons of ideas. Can you freeze 5-layer dip? You simply just create quality content, a 5-minute video, a 1,000-word blog post, and you put your link here. You put the link to the actual blog post or the YouTube video. Don't put a link to your affiliate offers. You are going to include your affiliate offers in your blog. And then, oh, by the way, if people are interested in saving things, they might be interested in saving money, or they might want to learn about different ways where they can save on their bills every single month. And one of the ways that you can save on your bills is something called Truebill. If we go over to Truebill, I think this is at True. We go to Truebill. Truebill will help you find and cancel subscriptions. So if people are worried about saving money, you can sign up to become an affiliate for something like Truebill, and you can add that link into the description as well. You can add other savings things. You might want to try being an affiliate for Robinhood, help them save money that way. There's a lot of ways to make money, to kind of pivot into what people are interested in. Because most likely, if someone wants to save something like this Costco enchilada chicken bake, they're looking for other ways to save money, cut corners. Maybe you want to help them save on their cable bill, their electric bill. Maybe you want to help them make a little bit more money. I would try throwing out the side hustle thing just in case, but this could be an opportunity as well. So once again, the steps are: find a niche over on Reddit. I use Can You Freeze, but you could do this with just about anything that has low competition. You are simply going to use these keyword ideas and you're going to create high quality content. A 5-minute YouTube video, a 1,000, 1,500 word blog post. You are going to create that content. You are going to put that content into these different accounts, into these different questions, and you are going to answer the question quickly. So you're going to say, in short, yes. But if you want to learn, if you want a more detailed instruction, click the link. They click the link. You're going to have your affiliate links in your blog post. You can even have affiliate links in your YouTube channel. But if you want to kick it up another notch, like Emeril Lagasse, you are going to send people to a landing page where you collect their email. You know that they're interested in saving things, so you can recommend different things like food savers. You can include this food saver affiliate link in the description of your blog post. You can also recommend different ways for them to save money, something like Truebill, or even different side hustles to help them make ends meet. If you are an affiliate for something maybe like Fiverr, or if you want to teach them different ways to make money. Now that you know how to make $1,000 per month with Reddit, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.